Youth Edutainment once again welcomes to all of you. Subscribe our channel for latest video and also click on bell icon for latest notification. I am telling you about what is Windows System Tool. So let's come to know about Windows System Tool. You have to come in Start button, press All Program, Accessories and System Tool. So you will know about disk cleanup. This remove temporary file from your PC. System Restore. You know what is System Restore? System Restore means if any setting, if any type of setting is there, then you want to set default setting in your system PC, then that will be system restore option. Or if any driver or if any application is not working properly, then you may choose system restore option, and this can restore your PC and your PC will be maintained. The system restore can help fix problem that might be making your computer run slow or stop responding. Our system restore does not affect any of your document, picture or other personal data. Recently installed program driver might be uninstalled. Yes, remember that when you will restore your system, then recently installed program will be removed or recently setting will be removed. You may choose this option and you may restore your PC. All program, accessories, system tool. So that is system restore. System information. By the help of this point, you may know about your system, like that what is the name of your OS, means that operating system, like that Windows, Microsoft 7 version and manufacturer, and many things is there. You may know by the help of system information. You may also know which type of hardware is there. You may choose category, select category, subcategory, conflict sharing. So you may learn about system information. So these things is there. In all program you may see accessories, you already know about that. System tool, you already know about that. In accessibility you may learn what is speech recognition and what is the on-screen keyboard, and so many things is there, like that zooming, etc. Now you will know about that. This is the user file, document file, picture file, music file, game and your computer. You also know about control panel. What is the function of control panel? That change the customized setting of your PC, device and printer setting, default program, administrative tools. This is administrative tool, you may maintain that. And help and support system. You know, help and support system is like that a book. You may learn many things, like that you want to know the Windows basic, so you may learn by the help of this Windows help. You want to know part of computer, so you may know the part of computer. You want to know what is the hardware, what is monitor, what is the speaker, so many things is there. By the help of help you may learn about this. By the help of help option, you may learn the actual definition of these hardware and what is the function of these hardware. You may learn very well. Okay, you want to know how to use mouse, using keyboard, what is the desktop overview, so you may learn about that. Example of desktop overview, this is given in help. This is the notes, like that you create notes. So like that